Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ChatGPT Insights, your go-to source for the latest tech news and trends. Today, we're talking about a game-changing development in the world of artificial intelligence and coding that's going to make developers' lives a whole lot easier. OpenAI has just introduced a brand new feature to its popular AI chatbot ChatGPT, a GitHub connector that allows users to ask questions about code bases and engineering documents directly from within GitHub repositories. That's right, folks. You can now get answers to your coding conundrums without having to leave the platform. But what does this mean for developers? Well, with this new feature, you can break down product specs into tasks, summarize code structure and patterns, and even understand API implementations using real code. It's like having a super smart coding assistant at your fingertips. The genius behind this integration is OpenAI's head of business products, Nate Gonzalez, who attributes the idea to user demand for internal data integration. And it just so happens that this connector is now available to ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Team users, with support for enterprise and education tiers coming soon. Now we know what you're thinking. How does this work? Well, OpenAI has carefully designed the feature to respect GitHub permission settings, so sensitive data remains safe. And let's not forget that AI may still hallucinate answers from time to time, but OpenAI positions this tool as a time-saving assistant rather than a replacement for expert review. This isn't the first major update we've seen from OpenAI recently. In fact, just last month, they released Codex CLI, an open-source terminal coding assistant that's been making waves in the developer community. And with the latest acquisition of Windsurf, another AI coding assistant, it looks like OpenAI is solidifying its position as a leader in developer tooling. So what does this mean for the future of AI in software workflows? In short, it means we're seeing a broader strategy from OpenAI to embed generative AI into real-world software development. And that's exciting news for anyone who's ever struggled with coding or wanted a little help getting started. That's all for today on ChatGPT Insights. If you want to stay up to date on the latest tech trends and developments, be sure to subscribe to our channel.